How to deafen members in Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can deafen members in Discord. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's begin. So the first step is open up your Discord. Now you can use the web version or you can use the software, it's completely up to you. So head over to Discord and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you're there, head over to your server. So I'll just head over to the server right here. And after you're on the server, you can simply join the voice channel first. After you're on the voice channel, what you can do is you can simply head over to your friends option right here, that is your friend's username, and right click on it. After you right click on it, scroll down and there you'll find an option that says server deafen. Tap on it, and after you select it, you're basically good to go. And that's how you deafen your friends in Discord. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.